Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, but the unboxing really isn't about the product itself. It kind of is, but not so much. Let me explain. Video is not sponsored first and foremost, except by my wallet. So if you enjoy it, feel free to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. But on to the subject. Today I am going to be unboxing a product from mpb.com. And apparently it's this website where you can go to buy used camera equipment. They have everything from like tripods to lenses to camera bodies to gimbals. Now, I deal mostly in cell phone video, or I guess you would call it mobile video production. A fancy way of saying I just record these videos using my cell phone, really. I mean, I don't really record anything else. But yeah, so I purchased a Xeon Smooth Q2, which I think normally retails for $100, I believe, when I checked it on Amazon last. This one was only $60, and like I said, this is a used product. I find a lot of filmmakers take good care of their equipment usually. Like, you know, you pay all this money for it, and me personally, when it comes to my tech, I take the best care I can of it. I try to put cases on my phone, so you know, I feel like buying a used product in this nature isn't too much of a bad thing depending on how much you're spending. So like I said, this normally retails for $100. I got it for $60, and they give you a pretty decent description. It says it's in excellent condition and it only comes with a carrying case. Now, if you look at the brand new product, you get the box, you get the charge cable, you get the wrist strap, and I think you get some documentation. I don't really care about any of that. I have a charge cable that uses USB-C, so I got plenty of those lying around. I don't use the little wrist strap with any of my gimbals. And I'm pretty sure the carrying case it's referring to is just the stock box. If it has a normal carrying case, that's cool too. So I just wanted to set up those expectations so y'all know what I'm expecting when I open this for $60. And, you know, I'm not expecting a brand new product. I just want something that works well. I feel like I'm rambling at this point. So let me also say that they have a pretty good return policy where if you're not satisfied, you can actually just straight up return it within 7 days of receiving the product. And you have 6 months if anything should happen worksman wise to the product. So like if it's defective on its own, now if you drop it, they're not covering that, but just if there's any manufacturer defects with the product, you are covered with a 6-month warranty. So there's that. But this isn't the kind of thing you want to keep sitting on. Like I said, you have 7 days to figure out if it's for you, if it works the way you want to, if you want to return it. After that, you can only exchange it, and that's only if it's a manufacturer's defect. So enough talking, let's get right into this. Trying my hardest not to show the side that has my shipping information on it, because really don't want to do that. I'll be getting rid of this box ASAP this video. Okay. Oh, let me see my little receipt here. See. So yep, Naiad Tech Smooth Q2 smartphone gimbal stabilizer, $59, excellent condition. And oh, they got like a little MPB. Let's see if y'all can see that. There we go. They got a little MPB brochure, I guess. What's in here? Oh, yeah, it's just like some little adverts here, you know, telling you, you know, give them a good rating on Trustpilot so people like me that are new to this don't think it's a scam. I actually had to look up a little bit just to make sure, you know, this was legit, because I've never heard anything about it. And that was just for me buying a $60 product. I can only imagine what you guys that are ready to drop like thousands are thinking. But yeah, that later. I'm gonna continue with the video and just switch back. Hopefully I don't got to keep doing transitions like that. Oh shoot, hold up. It actually came with a legit carrying case. Is there anything else in here? Oh, so they weren't playing. It really came with a carrying case. It's a Xeon one. I didn't even see this. I think this is like something you had to buy extra, or maybe you got it when you bought it brand new, because this was not included with the one I saw online. Like, you just got the box. So this is actually pretty dope. Let me take this little sticker off. I guess that was their inventory one. Ooh. Later. So let's see what we're looking at here. So, okay. Got the little Zion tripod here. Little tripod base. And here we have the actual gimbal itself. And pretty good quality. This thing's actually made of metal. Yo, that's dope. This would actually be probably one of the most durable gimbals that I own, as long as it's, you know, up to snuff. Anything else come with it? Oh, and it actually came with the charge cable. Yo, so this came with all the accessories. You got the little... Is that micro USB? I thought they gave me a micro USB to lightning charger. Is there like a port here I can connect it to for... I guess that's just connected to the actual gimbal? What the heck is going on? So it charges... I'm so confused right now. So it charges USB-C, but they gave me a lightning to micro USB port. I mean cable. I ain't gonna lie, I'm very confused by this. Where am I supposed to, like... Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's got a micro USB charge port. Let's see if I can position this just right. What we were trying to do. There we go. Let me get my act together. I don't even know if you can really tell this close, but anyway, it's a micro USB port right here. That's a little weird considering that this port charges USB-C. I don't know why they just... I can't even talk. Oh my god. I don't know why they didn't just make it like uniformly USB-C, but whatever. But I think feels pretty durable. I guess I'm not really gonna fully know if it works until I turn it on and get it set up and everything. But so far, yeah, this has actually already exceeded my expectations because I'm actually getting this awesome little case. I got all the accessories. Like, this is pretty dope so far. I'm looking forward to this. To be honest, I am curious why they included lightning and micro USB and not like a USB-C to micro USB, because, you know, I feel like you would do both, considering, you know, you just didn't use a USB-C uniform port system to do this. But, you know, like I said, it was $60, and plus I got the case, so this is still already exceeded my expectation. And the case is pretty dope because you got a little side compartment here for your little cables, and I got the tripod. I forgot all about this. Like, yo, this is okay. Now let me shut up, actually see if this bad boy works. In fact, I don't know why I put that up, because I'm going to need it. So, like this little stand, it's actually really sturdy. Okay, I'm gonna grab this and how do I unlock it? There we go. So we're gonna be using my LG G8 to test this out, and for that, let me download the Zion app. I should already have it because I have a Zion. Yep, ZY Play. Cool, we good. I don't know if this will work on thicker phones yet. I have a Zenfone 6 and 7, which are pretty big, so I need to find out. So we're gonna pair that, and ooh, I can enter. Cool. Okay, and I didn't read the instructions, so I don't really know what to do from here. I don't know what it's doing because it's still in lock mode. Oh, okay, it was still in lock mode. Yeah. So first things first, take it out of lock mode.
That's it. I'm out of here.
And let's just check out. Okay, so it's in free mode. What is going on? I really should have read the instructions on this. This is off the rails right now. Okay, cool. Free mode. Oh wait, okay, here we go. Yeah, okay, we got movement. It's looking balanced and everything. Everything's running smooth. So initial impressions are looking pretty good. Just handling my LG G8 pretty well. But we won't know for sure until I get this out into the field. But initial impressions are looking good. Guys, I'm going to show you my desk. Don't you judge me. Y'all did not hear that. Don't you judge me. I'm in the process of cleaning it, but yeah. There we go. So far everything's looking good. I like where this is all headed. So yeah, this has been my first impression of not the Xeon Smooth Q2. That is going to come in a more dedicated video. But as far as my first impression of MPB.com, everything's pretty good. So yeah, if you like to see the follow-up for this video where I actually talk more about the gimbal itself, feel free to like and subscribe, and sign up for the notifications to free yourself from the tyranny of the YouTube algorithm and take back your entertainment into your hands. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. This is Type 0 Tech signing out. Thank you for watching. Everyone stay happy, healthy, and safe. Peace.